but you're getting really fast
That's-
iterations. And
That's a
such
very
like
good
that.
question, because I wrestled with it. Of course, I have a lot of people that came to me, real smart people, and they saw what I was doing in Mojave, and they says, "Can you teach me to design? Can you teach me to figure out how to configure a different kind of airplane than just copying the Cessna or Cherokee, for example?" And I thought about that for a while, and I knew the answer was I can't teach you. And frankly, my confidence that the answer was right on first flight of a new airplane was low. But I was very careful in how I tested it. I wouldn't open up the envelope that would get me in trouble. We'd change the airplane. And that's pretty much that's not the normal way of doing things. The normal way is you use the most sophisticated tools for analysis, and you do a lot of wind tunnel testing and so on, and then you go and build the airplane. The reason I use composites at first, the main reason, is I love doing flight tests. And if I could build a very easy in 3.5 months, I knew that I could do a lot of flight tests with a lot of different configurations, and I could do several a year. If I was having to tool a metal airplane and build it, I would be spending my career building rather than testing. And I felt I could be much better at testing if I could do a lot of it and learn when to be courageous and so on.
But not that
When people
much.
ask me how to do this, I frankly, I don't really have an idea of why a person is more creative than another person, and I certainly have no idea how I would train someone to be creative. My gosh, if I could do that, I would enjoy being a teacher. But if I was given the job of teaching that, and students come in, and me teaching them to be creative, I have no idea where to start.